New 5 Ways to Make Money Online in 2022. 20 years ago, I received my first payment for affiliate sales through my website. This was the start of a long internet career in which I explored dozens of ways to make money on the internet. You should not be fooled by pyramid schemes and other get-rich-quick campaigns. However, I truly believe anyone can make money from the internet if they are willing to put in the work. Whether you are looking to make a little extra cash on the side or establish a long-term online career, there are many different ways for you to profit from your skills and hard work ethic. In this short video, I would like to share with you new 5 different ways to make money online. 1. Do micro jobs. Want to make money from your skills? Of course you do. A common way to start making money online is to sell your services on a micro-job marketplace. The marketplace allows anyone to sell digital services across a number of different categories such as graphics and design, writing, videos, music, business, lifestyle and more. Micro-job marketplaces evolved from regular freelancer marketplaces that businesses use. The lines between both platforms has blurred a little over the years as companies adapt to an ever-changing landscape, but generally speaking, the jobs on websites such as Fiverr are small tasks that are quick to complete. For example, you could offer to write a blog post, design a logo, write messages for a company's social media campaign or produce a short video for YouTube. The general idea is that you make money from many small jobs rather than one large job. 2. Test websites and apps for others. Another way you can provide insights to companies is to test the user experience of websites and apps. As a tester, you will typically be required to download a testing application to your computer, tablet or smartphone. You will then be asked to perform a series of tasks, with most tests taking 10 to 20 minutes to complete. For example, you may be asked to find a product in an online store and go through the checkout process. Don't worry, you are not expected to buy anything. You are simply testing websites and applications so that the developers can fix usability issues and improve the user experience for customers. 3. Build an affiliate website. The principles of creating a successful blog can be used to build a profitable affiliate website. This includes creating engaging content, marketing your website, and adhering to search engine ranking guidelines. In contrast to blogs, with an affiliate website, you are gearing everything towards specific products. This is why most affiliate websites contain product reviews. People who are searching for a review of a particular product are more likely to purchase it after reading an informative review, therefore the odds of making a referral commission are greatly increased. Whilst it does help to know a product firsthand, you can write good product reviews by either hiring others to write for you or summarizing what others have wrote. 4. Sell products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more. When you launch an online shop, you have to spend time administrating the store. However, in order to find customers, you also have to market your store and its products. This can be difficult unless you have a large budget for an advertising campaign or a platform to promote your products such as a blog or a social media account with a loyal following. If you want to start earning money quicker, you may want to instead consider selling products on an e-commerce marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Shopping marketplaces and auction websites are competitive, however, there are few barriers to get started. On a website such as eBay, you can get going by selling old things around the house that you do not need. Alternatively, you can search your local area for products that are on sale and then sell them nationwide at a higher price. 5. The last and the perfect one I recommend for you all. Follow the link in the description and start making your profits today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. For watching, see